Malcolm Newbury of Guildfoss, business development company for open source projects. So what we're doing here is helping out a project called Brisket, which is using 3 mature open source applications, stitching them together and putting them in a cloud infrastructure to provide a service to biomedical research units, clinical trials units, people who are doing research. Yeah, and need support for research data management. During the hack, we had this idea that well, we needed to grow our community of users, and the second phase of the project was specifically focused on working with potential users of the applications and getting them to look at how the applications would fit their own research data management needs. So we thought a hack would be a good idea because we had a community event last time, which is great. You know, we had about 40 or so people turn up at that, but it was a lot of talking, yeah. And it's, you know, talking is useful, but when it comes to giving us feedback as to whether the software that we're putting in the cloud is going to be of use to anybody, it's of little, you know, it's not as useful as practical, hard use of the software for solving a real problem. As well as that, we're not really sure. In fact, we're pretty sure that we haven't got the complete application set, and we haven't solved the integration problem completely, and we want to develop a set of applications and a tool that is a genuine toolkit for research that can be used with other applications which other research units have already got trained up on and are used to, if you like. So we want to make sure that the application can work with those existing applications as well. So that's another purpose for the hack. So so as well as inviting the other research units, so we have UCL Child Health here, we have Birmingham Cancer Institute here, we have 3 biomedical research units from Leicester, the respiratory, cardiovascular and lifestyle BRUs. As well as them, we did put a wider invite to the community of software developers, so that we had a wide range of development skills to put into the pot. Well, I've been helping out in various other projects. We've got some really interesting range of projects here. Moving from the integration problems that I mentioned to barcode scanning for biomedical test tubes. Mobile barcode scanning, to using the I2B2 query management tool that we have, data warehousing and query management tool for HES data, health episode statistics data. From that kind of problem right through to problems which are really problems of our own making. We want to make sure that we solve those at the hack as well. And one of the key problems that we have that everybody points out is that we have 4 applications, each with their own user accounts that have to be created and managed, which is a bit of an overhead for any kind of research unit. So we're going to solve that problem, hopefully over the next couple of hours. By putting in an open LDAP solution for all 4 applications. The great thing about a hack, of course, is everybody comes together and you've got a range of skills here, from PHP, Linux skills, Apple, iOS development skills, Java skills. They're all in the same room, which is great. So you can just wave your hand and say, can you come and help us with this? I just need to get over this little problem and then I don't need you anymore. It's possible in a hack day. It's not possible when you're sitting in the office and the guy is 40 miles away. So as well as that, it's kind of I think it's filling people with a sense of energy, and They can solve problems, they can make progress in areas that they wouldn't even bother touching, because they'd think about the personal retraining that they'd have to do to acquire a skill set, all of that, is brushed aside in a hack day or hack period, which is great.